What's going on, everybody? We're here with another diecast review. In today's diecast review, we're going to be reviewing the 2023 Erik Jones's Winner Circle. We already have the car off the base, so that's the reason why I was being very careful there. But like I said, this is from the 2023 Wave 4 for Winner Circle, Erik Jones's Darlington. And on the back, you have Winner Circle Collect Them All, Erik Jones's, Joey Logano, Martin Truex, Zane Smith, Austin Hill, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Kyle Busch, and William Byron. There's actually all of them from the Wave, so that comes onto the card. Like I said, I went ahead and took the car screws out to make it a little bit easier to do this review. I'm starting to like to do that a little bit better now than actually leaving the screws in, but very loose. It's harder to pick up. Of course, it has no screws in it. But this is actually what the car looks like on its base. Looks pretty good, actually. Focus factor. Nutrition for the brain. Car looks good. It's caked with confetti. It's easy to take off. See, I already took screws out. Which, after the review, I'll put the screws back so the car don't get messed up or anything. This is actually the stat card from September the 4th, 2022 from Darlington, South Carolina. Cookout Southern 500 winner. Looks good. And the stats of the race was 4 hours, 9 minutes, and 49 seconds. Starting position was 15th. Total laps was 367 for 501.322 miles. Number of cautions was 9 for 58 laps. Laps led by the winner was 23, and margin of victory was 0.252 seconds. So that was the stats of the race. Like I said, stat card looks phenomenal. I love these stat cards. So I don't have to worry about when I do the 164s to actually try to find the stats of the race to add to my videos. It makes them a little bit easier. But that's the base and stuff. So now let's take a closer look at the car. Oh, the car is caked with confetti. Love the blue, green, and light blue and silver there. Looks really good. We'll start with the front here. That build up is amazingly looking. It looks amazing. You got the dark blue with the green for Goodyear. You have the NASCAR Cup Series, Goodyear Eagle tires, 43, and the iconic 43. You got Erik Jones on the name rail. You do have the winner sticker there. Focus factor, nutrition for the brain. You see some buildup down there on that green. Green and on the silver where Champion is. Looks good. You got the tire Jack Arrow, Goodyear Eagles, all 4 tires do roll. Do you want to say that? All of them do roll. You do have some fuel spillage right there with the U.S. Armed Forces. And on the back, focus factor, nutrition for the brain, Camaro. You do have some spillage there. Also on the back where the ZL1 is, you have the 43. You do have some buildup actually on that green. That looks good. And then you have nothing on the completely had a brain fart on the deck lid. Now you can see Jones, J-O, or half of the O, but that's it. I mean, this car is caked with confetti. You can't even see the inside of the car. It's crazy. You got steering wheel, you got the seat, you got the gear shifter, you got focus factor, and you can see the build up and everything on this side of this car looks so good. Look at the confetti on the where the exhaust is and stuff. Man, it's just crazy how much this shows the build up. Man, he did get into the wall there where the focus is. You do have some from the burnout where back here where the U.S. Armed Forces is. You got the 43. That build up looks good. Even the front looks amazing. Look at that. It looks so good. You do have some on the splitter down here. Looks good. Now, focus factor on the hood, yeah, you can't even read his focus. All you see is factor because it's so much confetti. It's like caked on. I mean, you got a lot of buildup on that hood. Look at the confetti on the splitter. That looks good. Now, Jones in the Chevy symbol, good luck trying to find that bad boy through all that confetti because you ain't going to see it. Can't even see inside, even with the white interior. Can't even see inside of that. That's just, this was truly a race version in victory lane. You can barely make up the 43 Oh, you do have Erik Jones on this side. And who on the other side? Charlie, is that Charlie? I can't tell. Maybe you can leave it in the comment section below. I can't really tell on that. It's too small to read. You got the 43 on top there, but the back doesn't have as much confetti, but you can see the confetti from the top. That looks so good. Definitely one that I like. Like I said, this is a winter circle because you got the 2 screws for the bottom. That's how you can tell if it's a winter circle or an ARC is off the screws. But overall, the car looks good. A lot of build up. I mean, it's built up there and the green right here. That looks good. Arm forces, you can see the spillage. Even on the back right there, you got a lot of build up. But I'm not sure what that spillage is from because that's a little high up. I don't know if that's just the Gatorade and stuff from Victory Lane. Now, this side of the car looks the best. You can see the build up there from, I guess, doing the burnout. You got focus right there. You can see it underneath that. And I mean, the front has a lot of build up right there. And on the left side, looks good. Confetti down on the splitter. And it's just cake with confetti the rest of the way. So, if you want to see more of these, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if I missed anything in this video. That you have the 124, because I mean, the 124 is a lot bigger, and you probably won't miss as much as what you do on the 164s. But leave it in the comment section below if I missed anything. And I will see you again with another diecast review. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you again with another one.